Hey guys, it's Demi. Can you hear me? Hey guys, it's Demi here, and today I'm going to do the impossible quiz. How many horses does a polo have? Well, of course, it's 4. This one, of course. Answer this question backwards. Okay. Click the answer. This is so easy.
Damn it. Right, hello guys. Right, I'm going to show you a little life hack here. So, if you're on a laptop, right, do you know the right button? If you click that, and then all the writing pops up. What? That's a trick, guys. Always remember that.
Or you can just go around the screen.
Yeah, but that's going to take ages.
An elephant. Okay. Wait.
Damn it, it's there.
No, it isn't.
I mean, it is.
Somewhere around there.
It's there.
There. Yes, click this. It was this one. Wait. Look.
Choose.
If you take that away, it says chew food. Push it to. And sometimes you do trick you guys, so please do not fall for it. Look, this one. This sound is annoying. How do you turn this down? I don't know. What sound does it make? Flop, flop, fling, flop, fling, blah, 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 blah. Positive. Top. H-O-R-S-A. H-17. Hammer. Blue. Orange. Green, yellow. Easy. See? So tell you guys, I'm so good at this because I have played this a couple of times. So it's really easy. Again. V. Sheep Palace. That. Boom.
Do the same again, guys. That. So it's done.
Oh yeah, I know this
It's a
one.
trick.
I'm not supposed to look at that on the screen. Oh, that. Free wolf. Why are you taking over? Me and Dennis for this one. Wait.
That was easy. No. Come on, go back. You gotta go back.
Okay.
Die. Right. People might want to know this though, so you need to die. So,
I know.
do I just
Think that.
What? You didn't do it properly.
Look at it wrong. Please comment down below.
And then everything there. Neither that's 1, 2, and
H-O-R-S-E. H-17. Hammer.
blue, orange, green, yellow.
Easy. Seal. Seal the question. Chipotle. There. Then there. There. Egg. Ring. So, which one was this? That. And then 7. So what was
Right.
this?
Guys, the trick to this is, see the mouse, your mouse there, see your mouse? Look, if you move it, it says elephants don't like mice. So, if you move your mouse,
Click! I want to be happy. So which one was this? A what? Haha. Emeralds. What was this, Adrian?
well, I don't know, this is
I don't mean and skip this. Only if we had the bridge the same content.
Don't
That-
touch the pink. One minute. If you had a bridge.
Only.
If only you had a bridge.
So you do the same. Wait, should I say that? Click, that.
I don't think it's saying that, but you gotta click the right button.
What comes up as settings and that lot, then you click that, then click. Oh, me, Nana was on this. That. This. I don't know.
On it, Bridget mates, everyone. Gay. Sorry, Bridget.
Wait. Yes, that can it.
Put that back in that bag.
No, we're doing a YouTube video. So, she's got to make it up. This is the last time she's doing it.
Yeah, and then we'll make a new one of the same one, but then we have to go all the way through it, or do we have to
We
start
need to
from...
complete this quiz.
Yes, we're not letting the quiz.
Defeat us.
Yes, we need to go to 100. This is so easy. Well, up to like... Should we seal it? Oh yeah, we already told us so. And that, then that, then begin. Sheepherd. Which one was this? Oh, that one.
Move your mouse. Move your mouse.
Where?
Fucking hell, you don't move
I
your
do.
mouse.
Don't.
I mean, sorry, freaking hell, move your mouse.
No, okay.
Click it.
No. But
Click
yeah.
it. Click it.
Then we'll have a game over, and I do not want that. Nope. What? The real answer was no, but then I picked no. Nana! No, like when it says, can you get this question wrong? It's no or no. Which one was this, RJ? Oh, we skipped this one, didn't we? We skipped this one. That, then that, then that, then that. Which one was this? We did that, didn't we? And we did that. We're 3 lives and we're 43. That one then. What?
Everyone.
Should we skip? Oh, I did this wrong. No. I don't know. We never skip this one yet. Why are you taking over, man?
I'm taking over the YouTube channel for a couple of years.
Yes! You have your own. Would you like it if I hacked your YouTube channel? Should I? Comment down below.
You just told me now that you're gonna hack it, so what's the point in hacking it?
Comment down below if I can hack it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know. I keep on looking at the thing. Don't know why.
Move!
It says click here. I don't know where it's pointing to. That stays there.
Does it?
Yes. This is stay there. There's one there. Can you see that at the bottom? Wait, are they breathing? Oh, 10 minutes we're recording this. And guys, the next video is something that I just got. I did this completely wrong.
Right, guys, we just can't do this. We're just gonna give up now.
I know. Well, we're doing another video.
Another one.
It says click here, but I don't know where to click. And guys, next video is gonna be something that I got today. And I'm gonna do it back, I'll show you the back.
So it says click here.
Yeah, click here. It goes click, then here. Do you click that? Do you click that at the top?
Oh, it just said I could click something then.
Oh! I did not know that. Did you?
I put that there.
You didn't.
I did. Oh my. Well, I put that there.
Guys, we'll do another video of
So we're
this.
gonna peace out, bro.
Wait. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and notification. It goes ding 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 ding. So see you at the bubble. Well, today I don't know. Hit that thumbs up. So now to pause it. Bye.